ṣe rí tá a bá ń sọ pé oúnjẹ òun kan ni problem yẹn ní ìlú òyìnbó. Um, níbi tí èmi ti ń bá tèmi káàkiri lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Èní ní 21st of April 2021. ṣe rí time tó fẹ́ lù báyìí, time tó fẹ́ lù lélẹ̀, aago mẹ́fà ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ lù. Mo ṣáà rí pé ìkan náà àwọn stáàfù asda ó ń palẹ̀ mọ́ àwọn oúnjẹ kúrò ní orí háìlì tó wà. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Koikimedia máa béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ ní gbogbo ìgbà ni. Mo wá ń bí pé kí nìdí tí ó ṣe ń palẹ̀ mọ́ àwọn oúnjẹ yẹn kúrò ní ibi báyìí. Èmi tẹ̀ rò pé bí wọ́n ti expire ni. Ó wá fi ń tó mi létí pé kò expire o, but wọ́n máa kó kúrò lórí igbá. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ ń wò yìí, èmi ni chicken, cherry chicken eléyìí cheese arm àti chicken eléyìí mini fillet. So gbogbo section yìí nísìn, nítorí máa wá ṣe ni pé ṣe rí inú casing tó wà yìí, tó bá wá di ọ̀la, wọ́n máa reduce the price ẹ̀, wọ́n máa stick ẹ̀ lálẹ́ yìí. So gbogbo price yẹn máa change. Ṣé wá rí tá a bá ń sọ fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílé, ẹ jẹ́ n gbójú mi wá báyìí. Tá a bá ń sọ fún yín pé ìyà làwọn politician fi wá jẹ nílé lórí pé ká má lè jẹun, ká má lè mu, ká má lè yàgbẹ́, ká má lè tọ̀, ká má lè ṣu. For 61 years, Fúlàní ò jẹ́ kí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kí a lè gbin nǹkan tí a máa jẹ, kí a lè ṣe poultry, ká lè ṣe farm tiwa. Wọ́n da àwọn terrorist, wọ́n dà sínú gbogbo farmland wa. From everywhere tẹ́ bá lọ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, àwọn èèyàn ní ilẹ̀ tó pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ. Àwọn diaspora ara ilẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ tó fẹ́ fi ṣe farming, proper mechanized farming, bọ̀wọ́ ọ̀jẹ̀ kọ́ rí ṣe. So kárákùnrin tó lọ ṣe rí gbogbo intent wò yìí nísìn, tó bá máa fi di ọ̀la, gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá ó máa wà reduce according to bó ṣe sọ fún mi ṣe rí. Gbogbo kíní tẹ̀ ń wò yìí nísìn, eléyìí ni chicken thigh. Èlò lọ́ta tẹ́lẹ̀, ọ̀tá ní bí mọ̀tẹ́ mélòó lọ́ta ilé tẹ́lẹ̀, but tó bá máa fi dọ̀la nísìn, wọ́n máa drop price yẹn. Àbọ̀rọ̀ mi ò yé yín nísìn. This is the reason why ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílé ẹ láti tètè jà ká kúrò. Ṣẹ̀rẹ́lẹ̀ nísìn, £7 ní wọ́tà. Tó bá máa fi di ọ̀la, wọ́n máa reduce the price ẹ̀, kò ní jẹ́ méjì fún £7. Minced beef lélẹ́yìí. Àbọ̀rọ̀ mi ò yé yín nísìn. Eléyìí ni wọ́n ń pè ní minced beef. Kò ń ṣe àwọn màálù tẹ́yìn tó ń bá sùn, wọ́n ń bá màálù sùn. Àti ní kẹ́yìn jẹ cow mọ́. So for the benefit of our listeners that are not Yoruba, what you are looking here, all these now will be reduced tomorrow. The price will be reduced. Everything you're looking on this trolley, everything you can think of, they are going to reduce the price. So tomorrow is not going to be the same price. And the question is, why is our politician making life difficult for the people back home? Why are they making life miserable for you? Look at it. Can you see it? Sorry to disturb you. Can you see that? Kẹ́rí gbogbo oúnjẹ yìí nísìn. Everything here, wọ́n máa drop price yẹn tó bá di ọ̀la. Òun níṣẹ́ tí arákùnrin, I don't want to show his face. We don't need to see his face. You know, he's just doing his own job. So everything here, right, you can see, they've removed it from the shelf, right? They are removing it. Seriously, what's it on remove it? So tó bá di ọ̀la, wọ́n máa wá reduce the price yẹn. So it's no longer going to be £7. Now, ó tún wá níbi kan tí mo fẹ́ fi wọ̀nyí. Ó ní section kan ní ibo tẹ̀nìyẹn máa ń wà. Gbogbo discount food wọ́n máa ń fi síbẹ̀. A ní sẹ́ àwọn politicians, they've purposely created mess. Let me bring it back to my face one more time. Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń ṣe irú nǹkan tí ẹ rí, tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń ṣe náà ní Nàìjíríà ni, àwọn èèyàn ní máa complain pé bí ń pa wá, ìyà ń jẹ wá. Nínú Ramadan yìí nísìn, àwọn èèyàn róúnjẹ jẹ. Ó níbì kan ní side bíbà, mo fẹ́ fi wọ̀nyí. Gbogbo nǹkan pátápátá ni wọ́n máa ń reduce ẹ̀. Oúnjẹ tí àwọn èèyàn máa rà, wọ́n máa drop it down. Ó yà ń pé the other section yẹn ni. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Ó ní section kan, gbogbo tó wà discount, wọ́n máa drop price yẹn. So, but lọ́dọ̀ tiwa ní Nàìjíríà, they've made food food one of the most difficult, commodity. Oúnjẹ ti wá wọ́n ju aṣọ lọ. We can't continue like that. We can't. And when we are telling those at home, ẹ má bínú o, mò ń wá áìlì yẹn ni. Once again, this is Koikimedia, live awareness campaign, as we do it all the time, as we use our platform to educate our people that Nigeria, that you love so much, Mobiti. Sorry, brother. You know there's an hour where the discount food and all stuff. Where is it? This one. Oh, what time is it coming? Around half six. They're gonna bring stuff out. Okay, thank you so much. Now, if you buy any more, I said, "Be me gongon lower." Shall we go buy anything? Now, when you anything, what a reduced price there? Nítorí pé ó máa expire ní May 9. What it drop it down? So gbogbo ntẹ bá rí níbí báyìí, kò sí nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀, but wọ́n ní tó bá máa fi di in another half and half 8. Ṣẹ́rípágo tó lù lélẹ̀ nísìn 5 minutes past 6. Tó bá máa fi di in the next 2 hours, wọ́n máa stock níbí báyìí, reduce. Gbogbo tó bá níbí báyìí, reduce ni. Àwọn kan ti kó tiwọn lọ nísìn. So ìbéèrè tí ó yẹ kẹ́ máa bíra wa ni pé ṣé purposely ni àwọn Fúlàní ṣe jàǹbá fún wa pé kí ebi máa pa àwọn èèyàn wa? Is it for purpose? Yes. It's done purposely. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé tí ọ̀rọ̀ oúnjẹ bá ti kúrò, I mean, if you are not feeling hungry, there's tendency that you are not going to do things the other way around. But the moment you are hungry, ẹni tẹ́bi bá ń pa, an hungry man is an angry man. Ẹni tẹ́bi bá ń pa, oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló máa, thought oríṣiríṣi ló máa wá sórí ẹ̀. Ó máa think of so many things that they want to do. And this is why we are saying that we cannot continue to deceive ourselves. Ṣẹ́rí gbogbo different chicken. Hey, imagine if people have poultry, you will be slicing them, you will be preparing them. Piri piri, British chicken, right? But ṣé àwọn tí kò níná ló máa ṣe poultry? Ṣé ẹni tí kò síná ládùúgbò ẹ̀ ló máa ṣe poultry, right? Right? Ẹ wá imagine ká wá máa sọ pé Yoruba peri peri, kìíní kan peri peri. Let's understand this thing. And this is why we are saying that we not that we hate anybody. We just don't want to be part of a system that for 61 years, 61 good years, our people cannot have 3 square meals in a day. And I'm not joking. Nigeria is still the capital poverty of the world. And the reason why is they have used the herdsmen that are terrorists to invade our land. Ẹ wo Ondo State, wọ́n mú màálù, tó bá ti mú màálù, even though the law in Ondo State and mostly Yoruba states that you cannot continue to move the cow around, but yet they are still doing so. So we should be asking ourselves, you see the guy is coming here again. Sherry, òun ló tún bọ̀ níbí báyìí. Ó tún fẹ́ palẹ̀ mọ́ àwọn tí bí báyìí. Sherry, ó tún ti wá sí bí báyìí. Ó máa palẹ̀ mọ́ àwọn bí báyìí náà nísìn. Right? By ọ̀la, wọ́n máa reduce it. So let me tell you, if you think that 2023 will give you food. They are not going to give you food. Let Biafra go. Let Arewa go. Let Middle Belt go. Let Yoruba go. And then we can produce food in mass scale to feed our people. We can then forget about food. We can forget about water. We can forget about life. We can start thinking about development that will be useful for the people in the next maybe 100 years. As we speak now, for 61 years, Nigerians are still talking about, I am hungry, I don't have food. And that is why you are seeing all kind of menace in almost every part of Nigeria today. And that was done purposely for the reason known to the evil doers. And we must stop it. And the only way we can stop it is, let us say enough is enough, and that is it. Next month, May 21, 22, is going to be Conifa football match. It's happening in South Africa. And also, I believe the jersey will be out. And when it's out, people will be told how and where you can buy it from around the world. Let us remember that the Yoruba nation has come to stay. Go and sign the petition. It is the only way so that you will not be hungry. You will not be asking for food from the diaspora to send you money so that you can have 3 square meals. Go and sign the 5 million petition. Have a very good evening once again. My name is Olawumi Koiki. This is Koikimedia as we continue to create awareness for our people back home and giving them the reason why a Yoruba nation is the best option as we speak right now. Bye for now, and I'll be back again as usual whenever. But we'll probably be having a late night broadcast, later on tonight. So make sure if you're available, join me where we can have a late night conversation. Bye for now.